Hello students. I hit the wrong buttons and I ended the video, but that's okay, we'll fix it. We may just make this into 2 videos. I've got it with that. I'm letting it dry and then I'm going to sand some more. Anyway, I'm trying to make this repair. Let's see if it can work in here. What do you think, students? You think we'll pass inspection? I will know if I pass inspection. I may not even have to paint this. I came prepared to paint, but maybe it won't need paint to fix it. If I hire someone, they're gonna charge me a lot of money to fix this. Tell me what you think. Should teacher have hired someone to do this, or can I do it myself? DIY, do it yourself. Anyway, all I have to do now is sand it. I don't think I have to paint. What do you think? Some of you who do this kind of work, should I have hired someone to do it and spent maybe $300-400, maybe more, or just do it myself? When they do the inspection, they will take photographs and we'll see what their photograph looks like. I think it looks good. If you think it looks good and I just need to sand, I need to wait. All I have left to do is sand. Brought all the tools I thought I would need. I brought paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint, putty, P-U-T-T-Y, a stirring stick, second word, stick, S-T-I-C-K, hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, sandpaper, compound word, sand, paper, S-A-N-D-P-A-P-E-R, sandpaper, paintbrush, P-A-I-N-T-B-R-U-S, 2 words, paintbrush, flathead screwdriver, 2 words, flathead, compound word, flathead, F-L-A-T-H-E-A-D, screwdriver, 1 word, screw, S-C-R-E-W, driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, screwdriver, 1 word, flathead, 1 word, second word, screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, putty knife, 2 words, P-U-T-T-Y, knife, K-N-I-F-E. Teacher is working, W-O-R-K-I-N-G. I just hope I have the sound up loud enough that you can hear me. Otherwise, I have to do this all again. Clean up, C-L-E-A-N, up, U-P, 1 compound word, clean up, C-L-E-A-N, up, U-P. This is all for now. Class dismissed.